All right, so let's talk about Kinesio tape. Is it a whole lot of hype or does it work? You know that flexible, colourful tape that you see on the Olympic athletes and professional athletes now all over the world. So Kinesio tape, it was started off by a Japanese chiropractor, and he treated sumo wrestlers. So he developed this and treated these sumo wrestlers. And then in a fantastic marketing ploy, the 2008 Olympics, he sent 50,000 rolls for free to all these countries, I think 58 countries, and just gave them all this Kinesio tape. And one female volleyballer that was recovering from a rotator cuff injury put it on her shoulder and then went and won the gold medal. And so it picked up all this hype. And so now it's a $200 million a year industry. But does it actually work? Well, there's actually no... Now, by the way, I will let you know that certain athletes, even physiotherapists, absolutely swear by this stuff. Others couldn't give a hoot. Now, so there's no real solid clinical research that says, yes, this absolutely works, because it's meant to reduce edema by pulling the skin up. So here's the thought process behind this. Put it on your elbow when it's bent, and then when you straighten it out, it crinkles up the skin, and that's a lifting effect and helps with edema. Okay, it's meant to help function, improve performance, etc., etc., etc. But again, there's no hard, conclusive evidence that says that this actually really works. So what's going on here? Because let's say certain athletes say, I don't have my back pain, I don't have, I can lift heavier weights and so on and so forth. So maybe, just maybe, a lot of this, and I don't know myself, and I say the jury's still out on Kinesio tape, but it could very well be, but this is just a massive placebo, which is fine if it is, because if athletes can perform better, and we're talking big money professional athletes, if that placebo makes them feel that they're stronger or they're faster or they don't feel that pain so much, and it's due to placebo, great, it's cheap, there's no real risk involved, and if they win that gold medal or win that final because they think that the Kinesio tape helps them and that does help their performance, then all well and good. Why not?